A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree.
Yes, according to the question, if we see here, the length of rope is given to you 20 meter, and let me see if the height of the pole is h meter, then according to this your figure, what we can say, two angles are given. This is your base, this is your hypotenuse, and this is your perpendicular. Okay, now relation is in between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Now which trigonometric ratio have the relation in between perpendicular and hypotenuse? That is your sine. It means I have to take sine theta, that I know, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is theta? Angle is 30 degree. You put theta is 30 degree. Perpendicular h and hypotenuse is what? 20. It is clear. Now sine 30 degree, that I know with help of table. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now I'm putting this 1 by 2 here. H upon 20, and 2h is equal to 20. What will be h? Just you see, 20 upon 2. This will be 10 meter, and this is your answer.
A tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree.
Yes, what is given in the question? One tree is the height of h. Okay, and uh, due to wind, tree is broken down from point C. Okay, the height of BC, let's say it is x, and this is y. Then what will be the total height of the tree, that is h? I can say x plus y. And angle is given to you, that is 30 degree. From the top of the tree and the base of the tree, distance is given to you, that is 8 meter. Okay, and because two angles are given to you, this is your base, this is hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. You have to find perpendicular and hypotenuse both. Okay, I am taking the same triangle. Triangle is your triangle ABC. Here is also triangle ABC. Okay, here is one I am taking perpendicular upon base. Okay, perpendicular upon base relation is of tan theta, perpendicular upon base. And one relation is base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse in cos theta, that is cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Angle is given to you clearly, that is tan 30 degree. Perpendicular is what? X, and base is what? 8. This is 8. And what is tan 30? That you all know. What is tan 30? That is your 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3, that is this thing. Then root 3x is equal to 8. X will be 8 upon root 3 meter. Okay, come on the next. Here, cos theta. Take cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. What is base? Base is your 8 and hypotenuse is your y. What is cos 30 degree? It is your root 3 upon 2. This is root 3 upon 2. This is 8 upon y. So root 3y is equal to 16. Y will be 16 upon root 3 meter. So x is 8 upon root 3 meter. and value of y is given 16 upon root 3 meter. Okay, that these two things we got it. What we have to find? Height of the tree. Height of the tree will be h is equal to x plus y. Okay, then x is what? 8 upon root 3. This is your 16 upon root 3. Root 3 will be the LCM. Okay, then what will come? 8 plus 16. This will be 24 upon root 3. Okay, now I am doing rationalization because in denominator irrational number is there. Okay, by multiplying divide by root 3. So what will come? This is 24 root 3 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 8s are 24. 8 root 3 meter. This is your
Contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she preferred to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30° to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60° to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case?
yes. According to question, we have two slides. One slide for below 5 years children and this is for elder children. Angle is given for below 5 years is 30° and height is given to you 1.5 meter. You have to find the length of this slide. Similarly, for elder children, height is given to you 3 meter and length you have to find. Angle is given to you 60°. Okay. Now come on, two things are given to you and one thing is very clear. Two angles are there. What is the meaning of this? This is your base. This is perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. Similarly, the second one. This should be base. This is perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. Okay, now what to do? See here. We have given relation between P and H. P and H. Okay, P and H means sine theta. Sine theta P upon H. Here also P and H is given to you. It means again I have to take relation in between sine theta only. Okay. Here theta is what? 30°. Then write 30°. P is what? 1.5. H is what? X. Clear? Now what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30° is 1 by 2. Then take cross multiplication. 1.5 into 2. This will be 3 meter. Hypotenuse of this for below 5-year children slide it is 3 meter. For elder children come here. Now this is in this one theta is 60°, is 60. Perpendicular is what? 3. Hypotenuse is y. Clear? Now come on. This is your root 3 upon 2. What root 3 upon 2 is? This is your sine 60°. Okay. Here it is given to you 3 and here is y. Cross multiplication 6. 6 upon root 3 multiply and divide by it. This is 6 root 3 upon 3. 6 root 3 upon 3. Then 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. So y will be 2 root 3 meter. It is very clear. Answer.
The angle of elevation of the top of tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is 30°. And what you have to find? You have to find the height of tower.
Yes, what is given? You have given the thing, well, you have to find the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be h. Okay. And its shadow, it is given, one point is there, it is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. One point is A, it is away from the foot of the tower, and making angle of elevation, it is given to you 30 degree. Okay. After that, what you have to find? Height of the tower. Now what is given? This is perpendicular and this is base. This is perpendicular tower and this is your base. What is relation in between perpendicular and base? Which trigonometric ratio? Sine, cos, and then is what? Tan. Yes. Because sine is what? P upon h. Cos is what? Tan is what? P upon B. Now tan theta is equal to P upon B. So theta is what? 30 degree. Is 30 degree. P is what here? H. And B is here 30 degree. Okay. What is tan 30 degree? Its value is, see from the table, that is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon 30. Okay. Then cross multiplication. Root 3h is equal to 30. H is equal to 30 upon root 3. What I am doing here? This is rationalization. And this is your rationalizing factor. Okay. So this is 30 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 10s are 10 root 3 meter is your answer.
A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of string assuming that there is no slack in the string.
Yes. What is given? In our question it is given to you, kite is at point A. Okay. And person is standing here at point C and making one angle of elevation, it is given to you 60 degree. And this is the length of string, it is given to you, that you have to find out actually. It is, you have to find, let's say it is your x meter, and height of the kite. Okay. Height of the kite from here. Okay, it is given to you 60 meter. Okay, now let it is x meter. What? This is your base. This is base. Because our two angles are there. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. Now again, what is my question? P and H. In which trigonometric ratio the relation is in between P and H is? That is your sine theta. Come on here. Sine theta is equal to P upon H. Okay, theta is 60 degree. Put 60 degree here. P is what? 60. H is what? X. Sine theta. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. It's very clear, no? It is in our table also. Okay. 60 upon X. What will come? It is root 3x is equal to 120 by cross multiplication. Then x will be 120 upon root 3. It is very clear. Then what to do? I have to do rationalization. What is rationalization? Rationalization, this is your, after doing rationalization, you have to multiply and divide by root 3 and root 3. Okay. So what will come? 120 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. X is equal to 40 root 3 meter. This is your answer.